Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys the super classic Chinese Thai dish we call Kai Palo. It's 5-spice pork belly stew with eggs. Let's talk about 5-spice first. So easy way to do is just use 5-spice powder, which a lot of people do, and also what I will use today. The 5-spice is come from cinnamon, anise, coriander, peppercorns, and cloves. Is this basic flavor combination is the basic of lots of difference. I have got here some eggs that I boiled for 8 minutes, so inside is a bit under because I'm gonna finish simmering after that. I will put the link below for the how to boiling egg to make beautiful yolk inside. Now let's talk about pork. So pork belly is we want the pork, the sauce of render down, and it's beautiful soft and jelly like consistency. And what I look for when I'm buying the pork belly is I don't want a lot of fat. A little bit is good. I'm gonna take the skin off, but you can use the skin too and cut into the medium size. You just cut into the pretty large because this will shrink down quite a bit, so you want to make it bigger than you want it to be the end. I will start to put with a little of garlic, pepper, and coriander root. Now this is the kind of situation that we are looking for here. A nice paste is not complete smooth. It's the basic 3 combination is the Thai basic paste for cooking we call 3 เกลอ Next we need to put the black sweet soy sauce into the egg 2 tablespoons, and this one can make the eggs is very good beautiful color, and make the sauce is cover all the boiled eggs. And then we need to prepare tofu. Today we used white tofu, is the dense tofu. Then we have got to do now is get everything into the pot, but I will use the pan first for make it easier. Add a little bit of oil and beautiful paste go in. When it's like the ultimate smell of the Thai cooking, add the pork into the pan and stir them. Add 2 tablespoons of palm sugar. And then reduce the heat a little bit, and I start on the cooking process in there. I want to get a little caramelization on the outside all of the building flavor for our braised. And I want some Swiss black soy sauce going in and to give us really beautiful and also a kind sweet molasses flavor. First we add only 1 tablespoon and then we will use other 2 tablespoons from the marinade egg. Add the tofu and stir. And then add some water to cover that as well. When the water getting boil and then I want some fried spice now. I'm using the fried spice powder which you can find in store. It's just fry. You would better mix too. And this one we use only 1 tablespoon. I have got here some egg that I boil for 8 minutes and put in the marinade of the black soy sauce. So put it inside and add 2 tablespoons of black soy sauce that we used for marinate the egg. You can do more egg, less pork, more pork, whatever you want, whatever you prefer, until the pork is tender. Now I'm going to transfer into the pot to make it easier for simmering. Add a little bit of salt, around 1 teaspoon. And add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now just bring that up to a gentle simmer. Let's do it things not too rapidly boiling and then put a lid on and let that cook away for about 40 minutes. That has just been smelling amazing. It's time now for tasting. You can add more salt or sugar, depend on what you want. Look at that, it smells so good. The important thing Here you can make sure that your pork is fork tender. If not tender enough, you can continue simmer more. And now we want to shake out a little egg out of there. First, just want to cut those in half and you will see they have soaked up that lovely and they have that dark color on outside which is beautiful. And now ready to serve with the steamed rice. And I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my Facebook and my YouTube channel, and see you next time.